In this video, we are going to learn difference between direct mutual fund and regular mutual fund. A direct plan is what you buy directly from the mutual fund company, that is usually from their own website. Whereas a regular plan is what you buy through an advisor, broker or distributor who is an intermediary between you and a mutual fund company. In a regular plan, the mutual fund company pays a commission to this intermediary. This commission and mutual fund expense is then recovered as an expense from the mutual fund scheme. Direct mutual fund is the type of mutual fund that is directly offered by the AMC or fund house. In other words, there is no involvement of third-party agents of brokers or distributors. Since there are no third-party agents involved, there are no commission and brokerage. Hence, the expense ratio of a direct mutual fund is lower. It is low because you don't have to pay commission in direct plan. Thus, the return is higher due to lower expense ratio. Regular plans are those mutual fund plans that are brought through an intermediary. These intermediaries can be brokers, advisors, or distributors. The intermediaries charge the fund house a certain fee for selling their mutual funds. The AMCs usually recover this fee through expense ratio. The expense ratio for regular mutual funds is slightly higher than direct mutual funds. Hence, the returns tend to be a little higher for direct plans. Let's take an example of HDFC Small Cap Fund. Here, in direct plan, NAV is Rs 77.315 and expense ratio is 0.84%. Whereas, for the same mutual fund in regular plan, NAV is Rs 70.56 and expense ratio is 1.83%. That means out of 1.83%, 1% is paid to broker and 0.83% is deducted by mutual fund for their salary and admin expenses. Here we cannot save 0.83%, but we can surely save 1% of commission by investing in direct plan. The returns of any direct mutual fund are always higher than the regular version of the same mutual fund. The expense ratio is much lower in direct mutual funds. Most people, when investing in mutual funds, tend to take the help of their preferred mutual fund advisor or from their local financial advisor. But did you know that fee paid to the advisor comes out of your own pocket? In fact, that fee is deducted straight from your investment amount and paid to the agent. This fee is deducted as a percentage of your investment by the mutual fund house and generally varies between the range of 0.5% to 1%. Which means on an investment of Rs 1 lakh, broker gets a commission of 1000 rupees. And the interesting fact is that whether your investment goes up or down, the broker will get his commission on monthly basis. The NAV of any direct mutual fund is always higher than the regular version of the same mutual fund. If the fees paid to the agents can be avoided, then the amounting NAV is higher. As a result, direct funds have a higher NAV, and your total investment value is higher in a direct fund. Both the options, direct plan and regular plan, are managed by the same mutual fund manager. They invest in the same assets as well. However, the major difference is that in a regular plan, the fund house pays commission as a distribution fee, while in the direct plan, there is no such commission or fee.